Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your data is safe. First, confirm you're signed into iCloud and that iCloud photos and contact syncing are enabled so items are already in the cloud. Next, create a full backup. Use iCloud Backup or plug into a computer and make an encrypted iTunes/Finder backup. Encrypted saves passwords and health data. Once the backup completes, check that photos appear at iCloud. Com and contacts are listed, making sure you can restore them later. You proceed to the reset itself. If asked, sign out of third-party apps only when instructed. Otherwise, keep iCloud signed in. Then go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings and follow prompts. This removes device settings and apps but not cloud records. After the erase, during setup choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac/PC Backup and select the backup you made. This brings back your apps, contacts, and photos. You finish by letting the device complete its restore and sync. Apps download first, and then photos and contacts can take longer depending on your connection. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and keep the phone plugged in until sync finishes. If contacts don't appear, go to Settings Your Name iCloud and toggle contacts off and back on to force a resync. If photos are missing, verify iCloud photos at iCloud.com and check optimize iPhone storage versus download, and keep originals to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.